Video number 2. What is video marketing? Definition. Video marketing simply means the action of making a promotional video of your product and services and marketing it by submitting the video on multiple video sharing sites. Video marketing is a new and ideal way of product promotion to increase traffic on your website. This type of marketing is becoming popular and highly effective when you do it right. It will also help you in creating a large and interested audience. Videos are generally used by internet marketers to sell their products and services using a video explanation of a product. Internet marketers include usable data in a video for user engagement to optimize the sales funnel. Videos are generally used by businesses to build brand awareness of their companies and products. These videos are mostly about entertainment to increase customer interest in their brand, with less focus on selling the actual product. People like to purchase things when they watch an online video of that product instead of reading the reviews and specifications, which means you can utilize the power of video to convert your interested audience in sales a lot more. Kinds of videos for marketing purposes. Video is a captivating medium. Videos are inherently used to keep a customer engaged, generate awareness, and create a mental picture of a product. As a result, video has become a standard medium for communication and marketing activities. Image manipulation has been made easier, thus facilitating marketing, so demonstrating the use of products has been made easier. Remember that seeing is more engaging than hearing. Below are some of the types of videos for marketing purposes. Animated video. You can use video creation sites like GoAnimate.com and ExtraNormal.com to create motion graphic videos. You'll be able to reach many people through the animations. On the other hand, if you want to have high-end motion graphics, you can use Adobe After Effects. It will give you perfect animations. Video email. This is a great way to engage and connect with your prospective customer and colleagues. You can simply record a video through your webcam and free websites, which include mailview.com and ijot.com. This makes you stand out and pass message effectively to the customer instead of using the traditional emails. Customer testimonial video. Testimonials enable customers to tell stories in their own voice. They give their experience on the usage of a product. This creates a much more powerful resource for marketing. You can use the Brainshark tool to put the presentation together. You can use them in your sales or website page where many prospective customers will view it. Launch series. They come in a series of videos. They have heavy content that should grab the attention of prospective customers. Their main aim is to establish credibility before releasing the final video of the series. Webinar video. You can also have webinar video. You record it using GoToWebinar.com or Instant Teleseminar. The video illustrates the products you sell and where to locate your company. You can post it on your webpage or YouTube. Video PowerPoint. This is a commonly used video presentation tool, especially for seminars. It is powerful because it allows incorporation of music and narration. You can use this as a marketing tool, especially during product promotion. First impression video. This video gives a direct appeal about a product. You can use it as the first video in your homepage. It's used perfectly for personal and promotional videos. You can use it to advertise your business. Interview videos. You can use Skype or Google Hangouts to create interview videos. The interview can focus on two people, that is, the interviewee and the interviewer, or can be in the news style format. News style is where you are the interviewee on a subject on camera with an interviewer off camera. Video tip series. This is one of the most popular video genres. It is ideal for improving your SEO and also establishing your presence on YouTube. They are a huge help in building your credibility and showing that you're an expert in your specialization or niche.